Good afternoon, you wonderful people. As always, if you're watching this and you are not a subscriber, could you do me a massive favour and subscribe? I'm actually going to be doing a quick little video today on the Soarer. It is day 3 of the cage builds. I think Billy's near enough finished now, or should be finished by the time I get there. So once we get there, we will check out the car and all its beauty. We will load the bad boy onto the trailer. I might have another little go at welding because I think my first attempt was, I think Billy's 3 out of 10 was pretty fair. Oh, am I going on it? Oh my god. I'm going to do a little bit of a queue. I think we should be there in about 27 minutes according to the old sat nav. So I'll see you guys down there very soon.
And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, yes.
Ooh, just arrived at good old Billy's. I spy with my little eye a very sick R34 Skyline. Look at this, midnight purple R34 GTT. It's pretty sick. Afternoon, Billy. Hello. Hello. Billy tells me it's not actually midnight purple, it's been resprayed but not in a Nissan Skyline colour. So yeah, it's a lovely purple nonetheless. It's quite cool this because James does actually skid it. I think these are just temporary wheels. I'm pretty sure he's buying some new wheels or getting his wheels refurbished. One of the two. Minty fresh. Pretty sure it's RB25 running about 500 brake, but in a second we'll lift the bonnet and have a quick little look. We're doing the sexy part. Yeah. Gussets. Look at those bad boys. Oh, George is going to be very happy, man.
Giving you a weld down here.
Yeah. Sick. Which one can I do?
The last one.
The last one. Oh, fuck, you trust me with the very last one?
Yeah.
So at least you can't see it. Yeah, George will be really happy with this, man. She tried to get her afternoon off work, but they wouldn't budge. No. So if we have a quick look around this side, Billy's obviously done the double door bars this side now.
Not stitched the middle yet.
Ah, right, yeah, that's cool. Afternoon, Chris. This is the actual man that owns the bad boy C32. So if he's feeling really nice at a later date, he'll let John loose. I've heard Chris is a bit of a John himself though, so. That's the gussets all done. Looking really lovely. Quick look around this side. Really nice. Billy's now just finishing off the last bit of stitch welding on that door bar. While he's doing that, I'm just going to crack on with half an hour's worth of editing.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't.
Billy was just saying we think James has actually got a nice set of works coming for this. But yeah, once he's got them, hopefully we can get a cheeky little review sorted. Just going to show you guys under the engine bay. What sort of horsepower is this, Billy, roughly? Do you know?
I think you said 400 and something.
It's got an HKS turbo of some description, many numbers probably involved. It's pretty tidy under here. BC coilovers, oil cooler, front mount. Yeah, it's pretty decent spec, isn't it? Blitz SUS, bit of reflective gold tape, very norm. Alright, thank you, Billy. I think James is running sort of 4 to 450 horsepower, so more than enough for a Dugget. Got a nice Nardi steering wheel. I did spot a little, air cup decal. I'm pretty sure James is now running air cups from Driftworks, which actually lower the front of the car 50mm. Pretty cool. We got a couple of Corbo bucket seats, Driftwork harnesses. Obviously the car's all stripped out because Billy's about to put a full roll cage in this. Billy, what cage are you putting in this?
BDC spec, nothing too mental.
Like sort of basic comp spec.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah, cool. Be nice to sort of see how this car turns out. What are you trying to make?
Bars to go in the bumper, so hopefully
right.
that will stay attached to that somewhere.
Literally a little bit of length.
Yeah, we got
It's quite cool actually. Chris is just he's pretty much just assembled the front of his car, so it's starting to look more like a car now. Pretty cool. It's going to be the world's fastest brick. That's roughly what she's going to look like from the front, obviously minus the bumper and the bonnet, but yeah, starting to look definitely a lot more like a car. How rare are these headlights, Chris?
You don't want to know.
Really?
Yeah, they're worse than PS lines.
Yeah, that's the only problem with this car, but it's super rare, but at least you can be a boss. Billy has now finished the cage.
Not quite.
No? Well, oh no, you haven't finished it, because I've got to finish it.
Yeah.
Well, hey. Billy's got these cool laser cut tags he puts on all the cages as well. Really, really sick. Yeah, cage is looking lovely. You've done all the seam welding now on the other door bar.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's have a quick look at that. That's all the stitching now done on this side. Welds are lovely, man. Sorry if I appear like I'm sucking you off, but now that I've done a bit of welding myself, I really can see how difficult it is. And considering my welds look like a cake, this is pretty goddamn sick. That's all the foot plates. That's the rear. Obviously we've got a diagonal and a harness bar as well. Gussets are looking absolutely lovely as well. These look really sick, especially when you're driving down the road. Not that a roll cage is for aesthetics, but it does look pretty sick when you've got some nice chunky gussets. Overall though, very impressive. And you think Billy has literally done this pretty much in 2 days. Well, it's taken 3 days because I've had to film, but pretty much in 2 days he's busted this out. Very kindly, Billy's going to be doing you guys a 10% discount. So if you want to get a quote from Billy, check my video description, you have all the contacts for him in there. That 10% discount is just going to be on roll cages and on exhaust. But yeah, if you want to get in contact, feel free. Mr. B is just tidying up some of the wiring. If we look down here, the only bit I need to weld, so fingers crossed I can't mess it up, famous last words, is I need to put a little seam just from there right to there, so right on that point there. So in about 2 secs we'll grab the welder and we'll give it a try. It's probably wise if I do a little practice weld first. So yeah, we're going to do Monky London welding take 2. I'm not on it.
It was not bad.
Not bad.
Not quite on
Well, I can't really see. Why can't I see the line through there? Let's have a quick. Let's get this right. Right, there we go. It's just a bit. I'm not very straight, am I? That sounds a bit weird. Number 3.
Much better at the start.
And then it went a bit wonky again.
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Out of 10, realistically?
I'm gonna give you a 7.
7. Oh, that's a massive. That's 4 points up on last time. So yeah, cool, man.
7 is pretty good.
Cool. Woo-woo. Monkey London fight well. Monkey London can do some sort of amateur welding, but yeah, sick, man. The time has now come for me to finish off the bad boy roll cage. So give that back to you once again, sir. We just need to literally do from there to there.
Yeah, just there.
So the bottom of that
Down to
second
that
one.
tag. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got you. All right, then. Don't mess it up, monkey. No, positive thinking, man. So just from there, the bottom of that one, right to there.
Yeah.
Where's Billy? There he is.
I'm here.
Billy's doing the camera work. We are swapping rolls for 2 seconds. Oh. Am I going along it? Oh my god. Huh? Do I go past it?
Just past it.
Ah, that wasn't too bad though, was it?
I think that's not bad at
No,
all.
I'll give myself 5 out of 10 for that one. Was that? Did I go a bit past it? That's what caused that little bit to come off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. That is the final piece of the puzzle. The roll cage is now all sorted. Coming to a racetrack near you very soon.
Or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the
As always, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out my Patreon out here so I can carry on making you guys sick videos. Give me a like if you think I'm cool. Give us a dislike if you think I'm a fool. And I'll see you soon. Peace.
When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby.